Hello students, good morning. Students, this is your social study class and I am going to show you a video clip on industries in India. Students, industries refers to the production of economic goods. Within an economy, with the help of machines and power. So students, watch the video carefully and try to grasp it. Modern life has become very comfortable, very convenient and comfortable for men. Thanks to the different things man has invented over the years. Food can be preserved for a very long period of time in refrigerators, freezers. Air conditioners and heaters keep us comfortable in summers and winters respectively. We can connect to our friends and families across the globe in a jiffy. Ever wonder how it has been made possible? Industrial development has enabled the large-scale production of various machines and appliances that have made life more comfortable. Industry. What exactly is industry? Man uses natural resources as raw materials to manufacture different kinds of modern gadgets and appliances. Raw materials goes through various processes and is converted into a finished product that is called industry. And the actual place where manufacture process take place is called factory. Students, there are essential factors for setting off any industry. These are the main factors. These are the essential factors: raw materials, capital, energy, transport facilities, manpower. So see one by one. Raw materials are natural resources in crude form needed to manufacture a product. Wood is an important raw material of the paper industry and is used to manufacture paper. Paper is the raw material for manufacturing paper products like diaries, books, notepads, etc. Capital is the money needed to start a factory. Energy is electricity and other forms of power needed to run machineries in a factory. Transport facilities include vehicles such as trucks, trailers, etc. used for the transportation of goods. Manpower includes people who work in factories or offices. Market is the place where manufactured products are sold. As a broad concept, markets consist of traders, wholesalers, and shopkeepers. Today, products are also sold over the internet. Types of industry. Industries are divided into three kinds depending upon the manpower employed and capital invested. In India, types of industries are cottage industries, small scale industries, large scale industries. Let us understand them briefly. Cottage industry. This industry need very little capital manpower as mostly they have a domestic setup. This can be run by a family from their home. Weaving such as khadi, cotton, jewelry, pottery, bakery, tiffin, sericulture, also known as silkworm farming, terracotta idol vases, metallic idols and vases, fabric arts like ikat, bandhani are in the cottage industries. Small scale industry. Small scale industry need more capital and manpower than cottage industries. However, since they can be started in small places and have simple manufacturing processes, they don't require as much manpower and capital as large scale industries. Some of these small scale industries as agarbattis, soaps, garments, etc. Large scale industry. This industry help in development of infrastructure and play an important role in the country's economic growth. This industry employs skilled manpower with specialized knowledge and technical know-how. The production process in skilled workers and advanced machineries as well as energy supply in factories. Industries in manufacturing chemicals, then fertilizers, iron, steel, ships, aeroplanes and other vehicles is come in the large scale industries. Growth of Indian industry. When India became independent in 1947, very few industries exist in the country like textile industry, sugar industry. India has made huge growth in Indian industry of iron and steel, like the industry in iron and steel, then cement industry, textile industry, oil and petroleum industry. And contributing its overall economic goal. And major steel plants are set up at Rourkela, Bhilai, Bokaro, Visakhapatnam, Salem. The Indian automobile industry has main seat in Chennai, Pune, Gurgaon and Jamshedpur. Heavy engineering and electrical goods, construction and industrial machinery set up at Ranchi, Bhopal. Railway industries manufacture, that is railway locomotives, wagons and coaches are set up in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Patiala, Chennai, Kapurthala and Bangalore. Other important industries like paper industries, food processing industries, fertilizer industries, cement industries, etc. Oil and petroleum refineries set up at Gujarat, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar. India has made remarkable progress in various fields using ingenious technology in the information technology, computer technology, computer science, space science. So students, see that India has made remarkable progress in the various fields using ingenious technologies such as information technology, computer science, and space science. Industry growth and development indicates the overall progress of any country. And Indian industry is doing very well. Just now we have learnt about the industrial growth of India. Students, so have you seen the video? Okay, that means we have learnt about that today India has made huge industrial progress and economic growth. Okay, so thus now we have learnt the Indian industries in this video clip. So students, go through the video clip again and again. So the class ends here. Thank you.